The park is open, the playground. Check it out, guys, way over there. What is it called over there, guys? Kamalani?
Playground. Yeah.
Kamalani Playground. That's awesome. Romeo, hold on. So we're over here at beautiful.
Yeah, look, my source, I'm back.
Yeah, oh, it's back. Okay, yeah. Beautiful Lydgate State Park once again, guys. Look at that. Nice breeze. Again! Oh my god! Just stop going in and out. We got the electric skateboard. We got Romeo's. Romeo, you gotta put your helmet, son, and your elbow pad. And your knee pad, okay?
Attack!
Attack, yeah, later. Hold on. Woo! Eliza's skateboard over there. Alright, be careful, Eliza, okay?
Yeah.
Ethan boy, why are you wearing a jacket?
I want to touch this, okay?
Okay. Oh, seriously? Fine. Watch where you're going, Romeo. You're trying to relax with a little hand towel?
Because I have a nice like
Wow, Jess, nice. You're hiding from the sun?
I'm just hiding from the sun.
Oh my goodness. Be careful, Eliza. Huh?
Brown and white.
Holy camole, Jess. Holy, check that out, guys. Oh my god, what happened?
Brown and white.
Watch out, here comes a car, Romeo.
I know, I'm waiting.
Oreo?
No, it's not even an Oreo.
It's a pig, so
Oh yeah, guys, I wanted to show you guys my new tires. Look at that, guys. My new tires were mounted 2 days ago, in fact, guys. Because I know yesterday we tested it out over in Kauai, which you probably already seen the video, and it's looking good, guys. It's actually the same tires, but wow, look at that, guys. Yeah. So the brand is Kelly, but a lot of people don't know that Kelly's parent company is actually Goodyear. So all of Goodyear's R&D is packed into this also. And Kelly's like one of the oldest, if not the oldest, tire company. So it's all good, guys. It's really good. It's an all-terrain.
Oh my god!
Highly recommended.
PC.
Check out all the birds over there, guys. Ooh. There's Eliza. Oh, hi, Eliza. Yeah, guys. As of late, I've been using just my cell phone and my GoPro Hero 3 Plus. Watch out, Romeo! Here comes a car. Because we've been adventuring often since you know, we have extra time. My GoPro Hero 7 actually broke. Totally broke on me. That's why I'm rocking the actually super reliable Hero 3. I heard after the Hero 4, so like Hero 5, 6, 7, and I think 8 also, it's not really that reliable, guys. You can't film for too long, or else it'll overheat and or freeze up. And mine kept on freezing up on me. Totally sucked. All right, Liza, do your gymnastic thing.
What?
Gymnastic.
What?
Do your gymnastic maneuvers. Go.
Do what?
Gymnastic stuff. Wow.
That looks my
Good
gun.
job. Wow. Nice. What you got there?
Fun.
No, stand up, son. Don't be lazy. Get up.
Good, you
Yep.
go that side.
There you go. Careful. There they go.
Heel.
Your favorite skateboarding area right here. Because there's two hills. Oh, slight hills here and over there.
Yeah.
And it's pretty smooth. Look at that. Look where it goes.
Low side is probably on highest. Yeah, watch this. Daddy got wet. Daddy, can
They
you
fixed
help
it.
me? What is this?
Zip line, is it?
Look, it's fixed.
Push him.
Roll. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Okay, roll.
Wow. Oh, yeah, nice.
Because they tell you it's
Wow, look at that. Nice.
Let me slide.
Okay, go.
Okay. Wait. Again.
Go. All right.
Yeah, this is Sam. Like, this is perfect.
Oh, this is cool.
Perfect. Oh my god. Okay.
Go, Romeo. You want to rain or something?
I want to do perfect actually.
Perfectly.
Gotta land it.
Yay!
Okay. Hey, Mom.
Oh my God, you're too high.
You're too high.
Too high.
Help me.
I cannot help you. That's
Let's
too
go in
high.
there. Let's
No,
go in
go
there.
slow down. Hey, you're gonna be over.
Oh.
Jump up.
Jump out.
Wow. Nice. You did it. Whack my face up.
Daddy, can you push me?
Push your brother.
Okay. Daddy, perfect.
Oh my God.
Oh!
I go try. Give me, I go try.
No, mommy, try.
This is cool.
I know. Give me, I go try.
Did you cry?
No.
Mommy, can you hold me? Can you hold me?
Okay, go.
Huh? I did.
Yay.
Dad, give me a boost.
Huh?
Give me a boost.
Ah.
I'm higher than you.